Dembang, 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 Dembang.
We have come together as a region through the initiative of the hoteliers in Kisumu to come up with what they're calling We Western Tourism Initiative. So it is the hoteliers of the region that have come together. And in fact, tourism is usually led by the private sector, and then government comes behind to put its space to support them, either through policy legislation, etc. So they've come together. They have created this organization. It's on the website now, so that people can now find a one place, a one-stop shop to go and find information about it. So all the counties are there, the 14 counties of the block. You want airport information, you want banking information, you want what to do in Kisumu, you want what to do in Busia, in Bomet, etc. They're populating that, and that's happening. So Kisumu specifically now, Kit Mikai is one of our signature products that we have. God-given, beautiful, stunning experience. We've got Dunga Beach. Dunga Beach is a beautiful entity right at the end of that Dunga Beach drive. And we have papyrus reeds, and we have built on top of the reeds a walkway. We call it the Broadway, and the Broad Walk or the Broadway. And you get to see this bird that is unique to that area. You get to have a beautiful experience in terms of the views of the lake. So we are moving away from being a stopover, Kisumu as a stopover city, to becoming a destination city, where you come and you want to stay for a few days and experience more than just Kisumu. You get to experience into the other counties.
Kisumu is strategically located in a wonderful location in the Western Kenya. I mean, we have great opportunities in terms of leisure market. We have many guest attractions. We have Kit Mikai. We can go to the guest, take you to the Kakamega rainforest for a safari. You know, they can go to the Kisi Stone, and then they can go to the other areas. Like Homa Bay, they could travel to Ruzinga Island. It is amazing. And then guests can go to even to Ruma National Park, which is just 2 hours drive from Kisumu. And we are inviting a big number of travel agents and media people to be part of the fam trip. The first fam trip, it is going to happen from between 2nd to 6th of April. I mean, as a Grand Royal Swiss Hotel, like I have 125 rooms. If I don't have a guest, if I don't have a walk-in guest, a leisure guest, or if I only fully depend upon conference, I will be at a failure in my business plan. So everybody have the same problem. We all talk the same voice because we don't have the guests from the leisure market coming to the site, right? We all doing the same. Our focus, our vision is straightforward, that we are not just looking for our own property. We are looking as we Western Kenya.
We felt that Kisumu is undersold. We have a common feeling that people don't know what is in Kisumu. People just think about a business travel. And again, we looked at our graph in terms of occupancies. We find we are doing well on a weekday. Sometimes Friday, Saturday, Sunday is very low. Those are the opportunities we are seeing that we can tell people to flock in Kisumu, not just Naivasha and Mombasa. And we want them to know what they can see. So we want to sell, people to experience, the tour operators, and then they are able to go and tell the world. So we're going to offer the accommodation, we're going to sponsor the entire trip as the main hotels, and we do hope that this is going to open up the area to the region, East Africa, and the world.